You've probably seen these videos everywhere. Here's what nobody's telling you. That girl might not be real. Let's even say they are real. What if you can recreate them without filming anything? And the income behind that video, that's the part I'm actually gonna show you, because this isn't a video about AI tools. This is a video about a content pipeline that pays you, even while you sleep, even if you never show your face, and even if you have 0 followers right now.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build an AI influencer for free, turn product photos into scroll-stopping ads, get approved for Amazon affiliates, post it all on Pinterest so it earns money for months, and repurposing the same clips across TikTok, Reels, and Facebook.
Let's get into it. Quick reality check on why Pinterest specifically before we touch any tools. TikTok and Reels are built on attention right now.
Post a video, it either pops in 24 to 48 hours or it's buried. Pinterest works completely differently. Pins are searchable, like a mini Google. A pin you post today can keep getting views, clicks, and affiliate commissions 6 months from now. People search kitchen organization ideas or cute home gym setup the same way they'd Google it, and your pin shows up. That's the whole game. One video, repurposed once, earning on a loop.
And the best part, you're not inventing products, you're not holding inventory, you're recommending things that already exist on Amazon and getting paid a commission every time someone buys through your link. That's the affiliate model. Let's set that part up first.
Go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and click sign up. You'll log in with your existing Amazon account or create one. Enter your website or social profile, your YouTube, Pinterest, or even a simple link page works. Beacons or Linktree is fine to start. Pick your niche or category. For this method, home, kitchen, fitness, or beauty all convert well. Add your preferred store ID. Fill in your payment and tax info. Amazon requires you to make 3 qualifying sales within your first 180 days or your account gets closed.
That's why the volume strategy we're about to build matters. Multiple pins, multiple products, multiple chances to convert.
Once you're approved, every product you want to promote, you just search for it in the associate's dashboard, click Get Link, and you'll have a trackable affiliate URL.
Before you build a single AI video, you need a product worth promoting. Here's how I filter.
Amazon's Movers and Shakers page shows what's trending in real time, Amazon bestsellers by category, TikTok Shop, and existing UGC ads. If a product already has a UGC ad style review doing well, that's proof people respond to it visually. Pinterest Trends tool, trends.pinterest.com. Search home finds, kitchen gadgets, desk setup, and see what's currently rising.
The best products for this format are visual and demonstrate themselves in under 15 seconds. Anything with a clear before and after or a satisfying mechanism sells itself.
Once you've picked 5 to 10 products, grab clean photos of each, ideally on a white background.
You'll need these in the next step.
Open Google Flow, it's free, and start a new project. This is where your AI influencer is born.
You're not just typing pretty girl, you're writing what's called a character brief. Think about who your audience already trusts. Is it the relatable best friend energy, the polished girly aesthetic, the chill UGC reviewer? Describe that person specifically. Age range, vibe, styling, setting they'd naturally film in.
Here's the exact prompt I used on screen right now. The more specific you are about personality and setting, not just looks, the more consistent and real she'll feel across multiple videos. This image becomes your on-camera creator. Save it.
Before I open Topview, I write the script first because a good prompt starts with a good script, not the other way around. Here's the exact formula I use every time, no matter the product. Once I have those 3 lines written, I build the rest of the prompt around them. Camera angle, setting, what's happening in frame during each line. That's what actually goes into Topview.
Now open Topview using the link in the description. On the dashboard, select Agent V2. Upload your Google Flow image. This becomes your on-camera creator. Upload your product photo, or multiple photos if you're showing more than one product, ideally on a clean white background. Open the chat box. This is where you paste your full prompt, structured exactly like a mini script with camera directions.
Here's the important part. I'm going to show you the exact prompts I type into that chat box, word for word, so you can see how specific I get. Notice I'm not just describing what she looks like, and I'm directing her like a scene. Every line has a timestamp, an action, and exact dialogue. That's the difference between a flat AI clip and one that feels like a real review. Set your model to Cdance 2.0, adjust resolution and duration, and hit generate.
Topview's agent gives you a full script plan before generating. You can chat with it right there and tweak pacing, tone, or shots until it matches your vision. Once you're happy, hit generate and let it build the video.
Let's try another viral format that really does well online while that is generating. This one's a slightly different format. It reads more like a shot list than a spoken script, and that's intentional. When the product is the visual, you don't need much dialogue. The structure does the selling. This is the simplest format of the three, almost no spoken dialogue, just a clear before and after. If your product solves a visible, gross, or annoying problem, this structure alone can outperform a fully scripted version.
Use the same settings we did earlier and hit generate. Topview renders the full clips for you. Let's preview the full videos with sound.
This blender just changed my morning routine. One knob, that's literally all you need. Glass jar, not plastic. You can actually see everything inside. Hear how quiet that is? First try, no chunks. Yeah, worth it.
It. You didn't film a single second and you have a finished, native feeling UGC ad ready to post. Before you post anything, you need a business account, not a personal one. Business accounts unlock analytics and let you add affiliate links without restriction and give you access to Pinterest trends.
Go to pinterest.com/business/create and sign up with your email, or convert an existing personal account to business in settings. Choose creator as your business type when prompted. Fill in your business name. This can just be your creator name or niche brand name. Add your website or link page. Pick your category, whatever matches your niche. Confirm and claim your account. Once you're in, go to settings. Claim your website or link page if you have one. This isn't required to start, but it builds trust with the algorithm and unlocks more analytics later. Last step before you start pinning, create 2 to 3 boards now. Name the way people would actually search. Amazon home finds, kitchen gadgets that work, small apartment ideas. These boards are what your pins will live in, and good naming helps Pinterest understand who to show them to. Here's where the money actually lands. Open Pinterest, go to create a new pin, and upload your video. A few things that matter for this to actually convert. Title, front load the benefit, not just the product name. Description, write it like a search query. Include the words people would actually type. Destination link, this is where your Amazon affiliate link goes. Board, post it to a relevant, well-named board. Pinterest algorithm uses your board context too. Pin consistently, even 2 to 3 a day from a batch of videos you made in one sitting, and Pinterest will keep surfacing the ones that perform, sometimes for months. Here's the part that makes this method actually scale. You don't make one video per platform. You make one video and you post it everywhere.
TikTok. Add it to TikTok Shop if the product's available there, or just post natively with the affiliate link in your bio. Instagram Reels. Same video, add it to your Reels and link in bio or product tag. Facebook, Reels and groups, especially deals and finds communities, perform surprisingly well with this exact style. Same asset, 4 chances at a commission, almost 0 extra work.
This is the exact pipeline I'm using right now. Google Flow for the influencer, Topview Agent V2 for the ad, and Pinterest as the engine that keeps paying out long after the post goes up. If you want to skip the trial and error, I put together the full prompt list I personally use, ready to go prompts for different product types and ad styles, linked below. Drop a comment with what product you're testing first, and I'll personally help you think through the angle. Subscribe and hit that like button so you never miss out. See you in the next one.